Work continues here. We have the jump seats all in. The other day I showed you one was in. Now we have two. Look great. And fuel tank doors going on with the key and the striker. We have a brand new fuel tank that just arrived to go in here as well. Seat brackets are in. And look great. Some requests of the dash. It's a nice piece, a stock piece in there. One of the things we also just installed is a brand new brake booster. Excuse me, brake master onto the booster. Stock hubcaps. We're going to have stock rims and brand new tires going on here as well, so looks great. There's a request to shoot the dash there.